Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, you are in mute.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, children.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Great. Yes, so how are the studies going on?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Schools have started?
Ma'am, actually, we got summer holidays.
Yes. Somebody saying something?
Ma'am, we got summer holidays.
You got someone? Wow.
Ma'am, summer holidays.
Okay, you have summer holidays going on. Everyone is having summer holidays now.
Yes, ma'am. Summer holidays. School for 1 month. After that, from May 3rd, I have summer holidays. Till
Okay.
July 19th or 20th.
Okay, which place are you in?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. You all are from Hyderabad, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we had finished with the previous chapter, no? The decimals and fractions, is it? We were done with that. We are done with the division also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we have to start a new topic. Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain the decimal division with decimal number?
Yes.
I am having confusion in that.
Okay. Okay, I'll explain again. Let's see. I'll share the screen. See here, I had given you homework also on decimal division with decimal. Right? It's here. And please remind me, I have to show you your test papers also. Okay? So that you can see your mistakes. Okay, now see this decimal division. I'll just take one question from here. Okay, so I'm just taking this question. So this is 76.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, Ashwath, listen carefully. See here, I
Yes.
have told you. So what do you do in dividing when you are dividing decimal numbers? You take the first number and write it in a fraction form. Okay? Divide the number, write it in a fraction form. Similarly,
Okay,
now put here divide sign and write this number also in fraction form. Okay, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, got it? Understood this? Now,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
the same way as we divide fractions. 7, keep the first number as it is. Change the sign and reciprocal of the other term. Like this. Got it? Then
Yes,
10
ma'am.
and 10 will cancel from here. Okay, I have 7650. Okay, this can also be cancelled here. This comes in the table of, it can go with 5. 5 3s is 15, 5 2s is 10. Okay, so now can this be cancelled with 3? 11, 7, 18. It can be cancelled with 3. 3 ones are, and this is 3 2s is 6. And 3 5s is 15 and 3 5s is 15. So in the numerator, I have 255 and denominator is 1 and this side I have 2, denominator is 1. So that means 255 into 2. So 2 5s is 10, 2 5s is 10, 11 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. That gives me 510. Okay? Understood, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
So first, thing is to convert the decimal to fraction form. And then as you divide the fraction the same way. Okay. You want to try one more?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you this. 30.94 divided by 0.7. So you do this now, convert it to fraction first. I'll write it here, 30.94 divided by 0.7. Children, you do this. Everyone must do. Do. So convert it to fraction first. And then just divide as you normally do for fractions. Okay, change the sign and take the reciprocal. So the 10 and 10 will cancel. This is 3094 divided by 70. Now you can just divide by 70 and get your answer. Can you do that?
Yes.
What is the answer? Seventy into 4 will be 280. So 309 minus 280. Okay. So that is 29 something. Okay. So this will be 44 point something. Okay. Please check.
Ma'am, I got 44.2.
Okay. Have all got same?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I'm getting 44.4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting 44.2.
Okay, beta. Okay.
45.
Please check your answer once again. Whoever is getting the different answer, because maximum of you are getting 44.2, no? So I also
Yes, ma'am,
got
44.
I also got 44 point something. Okay. So is it clear now, Ashwat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is this concept clear to everyone? Dividing a decimal with a decimal number? So
Yes,
only
ma'am.
thing is that first you convert it to a fraction form and then you divide as you normally do for fractions. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll start with a new topic today, that is data handling. Right? Your next chapter is data handling.
Ma'am, this chapter is over already.
Yes, bache, it's over. What happened?
Ma'am, I felt like this chapter ended very quickly, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubts in this chapter, you can please share. Okay. Please let me know. Okay. So it's data handling now. Today is 24th, no? This is today's work. So data handling. Okay, as you all know, we had this chapter in the previous class also, right? We did the tally marks. You remember? We did with tally marks and all. We made
Yes,
frequency
ma'am.
tables.
Tally marks, picture.
So you all have studied about data handling in your previous class also. So here in this class 7th, you will study some more new things in data handling. Okay? Something more and something new. So tell me first, what do you call a data? What is a data? As the name goes, let me ask some child who was not with us in the previous class, previous session. This is who was not there. All with it. Hamza. Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza, tell me what is a data?
What?
What is data? How do you define data? What is
Ma'am,
data?
the information about the object.
Yes, very nice. Okay, the
Yeah.
information, the collection of information. Okay, okay, the collection of information is called data. Very good. Okay, now see.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Charvik.
Ma'am, sorry. What were you? I mean, what were we doing till now?
We have just started with data handling. Okay, we were just
Yeah.
clearing some doubts. We have just started with data handling.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
Okay.
sorry to join late because I went out.
Okay. So suppose children, we are given some raw data and we are asked to collect that data. Suppose you are asked to find the marks of some students, okay, of your class. Suppose there are 10 group of students in your class and you are asked to find their marks in the maths test. So whatever marks they are getting, like suppose some children are getting, must be, if somebody is getting 5 marks, somebody is getting 6 marks, somebody is getting 4 marks, somebody is getting 9 marks, okay, somebody is getting 10 marks. So group of 10 students I am taking. Okay, so these are three. So suppose this is somebody got 6 marks, right? Okay, somebody got 8 marks. How many are these? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And somebody got uh 8, 9 marks here. Somebody got 3 marks. Okay. So this is the data of 10 students. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the data of 10 students. Marks obtained out of 10. Okay. Marks obtained out of 10 in maths test. Okay, these are the marks obtained in maths test by 10 students out of 10. Okay, so this is some data that you have collected. Now, based on this data, what we will study in this chapter is that how do we find mean, median, and mode of this data, right? How do we find mean, median, mode, and range? So we will first find mean, then mode, then median, and then we have range. Okay, these are the few initial things that we will be studying about this in this chapter, right? Okay, I'm not talking about organizing the data. This we have already done in our junior class, so we will not go deep into that. Okay, organizing the data is organizing in a tabular form. यहाँ marks लिखा, यहाँ tally marks बनाया, यहाँ frequency लिखा. Okay, this is organizing the data in a tabular form. So this is not required now. We will find what is mean, mode, median, and range. Now suppose if I tell you that to select only those students who have got marks between 5 to 10. Okay. Suppose if I tell you that you have to select students who have got marks between 5 to 10. So what will you do? That 5 to 10 is what?
More.
So that means this student has got 5 marks, this has got 6, this has got 9, 10, 6, 8, 9. So how many children have got marks between 5 to 10? That is
Ma'am,
1,
7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students have got marks between 5 to 7. Is it? You understood till here? So this range from 5 to 7 is called range. Okay? This
Okay, ma'am.
from 5 to 7 is the range. I had told you to collect the names of those students who got marks between 5 to 10. So this is the marks range I have given you, that all students should have marks between 5 to 10. So how do you define a range? Range is, how do you define that? From a higher, uh, highest marks minus the lowest marks, is it? Yes, range क्या है? The higher range minus the lower range. Okay. So, yes. Range can be written as highest difference between highest observation and lowest observation. So here, which is the highest observation here? 10. Lowest observation, 5. Okay, so what is the range? N minus 5 is 5. You got it? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you get the range. Okay, from a lower limit to a higher limit. The higher limit, the difference between the higher limit and the lower limit is called range. Now suppose if I tell you to collect the data of the children who have height.
Ma'am, the highest means you mean like the highest number there.
No, it's highest higher limit. जो आपको रेंज दिया था from 5 to 10, उसमें जो higher limit है and the lower limit है, उसका difference.
Okay.
Okay, the difference from higher limit to lower limit. Now suppose another example of this. Now suppose if I tell you to collect the data of the students whose height ranges from 100 to 150 centimeters. Okay. So this 100 to 150 centimeter is what? This is a range given to you. आपने इतनी रेंज के बीच में ही हाइट लानी है, इतने बीच में जो बच्चों का हाइट है वो ही लेना है. Are you understanding? So this is your higher limit, this is your lower limit. So what is your range here? Your range is higher limit minus the lower limit. Okay?
50.
All right. So your range is higher limit minus the lower limit. Okay? I hope you have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I give you another example or this much is clear?
Now you can give another example.
Okay.
You
So
can give
let's
another.
think of some example to find range. Okay, now I tell you. What example do I take now? Okay. Marks वाला लिया, height वाला लिया. Let's take this weight का ले लेते हैं. ठीक है? Okay. Now you have to collect a data of 5 students. Not 5 students. You have to collect a data. This means you should have weight of those people who are ranging from 20 kgs to 30 kgs. Okay, you have to find children who have their weight range between 20 to 30. जिनका weight इसके बीच में आता है. It can be 21 kgs, it can be 22 kgs, 23, 24, 25 till 30. So, which is the higher range limit I have given you?
30.
Lower
30
range
kg.
limit I have given you is
20
20.
kgs.
So what is your range in this? Your range will be 30
10.
minus 20. So that means 10
10 kgs.
Okay. So that means a range is not kg actually, it is a range. Okay. So that means your range is, the difference is 10 here. Okay. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who hasn't understood? Any child? Everyone understood this? Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya.
Ma'am, I joined a little bit late. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but have you understood, beta? Did you understand?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No? Aishwarya didn't understand?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Aswan,
Yes?
I am Muhammad Afan. I am speaking.
Rayan?
Yeah,
Okay,
my name is Muhammad Afan.
okay, okay. Okay, I'll explain again, don't worry. Aishwarya,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
understood? Charvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Ritesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So most of you have understood this, so I'll explain again. Okay, Hamza has a doubt here. Okay, now Riyan, please.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am,
No doubt.
I think I have a doubt.
Okay, see, anyways, please listen here. If I'm giving you a range, that you have to collect the marks of those students whose marks are above 10 and less than above 5 and less than 10. That means you have to find those marks, those children who have got marks more than 10 and less, more than 5 and less than 10. Okay, so that means this is the range I have given you. How will you calculate the range? Range is your higher limit minus the lower limit. Okay, higher limit minus lower limit. Okay, so that is higher limit was 10, lower limit is 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Charvik, did you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so suppose if I tell you to collect the data of the height who are ranging between 100 and 150 centimeters. So that means I have given you this range. You have to find the height of those people who have their heights between 100 and 150. So your range will be higher limit minus lower limit. Okay, so that is 150 minus 100, that is 50. Okay, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to feed it in my brain, like I'm just asking for a short definition. Ma'am, so it's nothing but like to calculate the range between one number to other number.
Yes, so that's just higher limit minus the lower limit. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
higher limit minus lower limit. Okay, now I'll talk about arithmetic mean. The next topic we said was mean. So we call it arithmetic mean also. Arithmetic. Please mute somebody, there's a disturbance there. Please mute wherever the
Charvik.
disturbance is. Okay, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means we just normally call it mean also. So when we call just mean, it means arithmetic mean only. Arithmetic word means it goes with mathematical calculations. Okay, we call the word arithmetic. Okay, okay. So what is the mean now? Now suppose if I tell you, I'll explain you with an example. Now suppose if I take a mean of first five numbers, first five whole numbers, mean of first five whole numbers. Okay. So what will be first five whole numbers? कौन से होते हैं? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. ये होते हैं. These are the first five whole numbers. Yes. Now I want to take the mean. So what is the definition for my mean? Mean is the sum of observations upon number of observations. Okay. Now, when I take this example, the mean of first five whole numbers, so that means these are the first five whole numbers. So that means now first sum of observations. Okay, so I'll take the sum of these numbers. Okay, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And how many are the number of observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are five numbers. So number of observations is 5. So let's add these numbers This is 3.
Ma'am, numerator will
plus
be
4 is 10.
10
by 5,
10
which
by
is
5.
equal to 2. So that means I've got my mean equals to 2. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is, mean is sum of observations upon number of observations. Okay, now suppose.
Ma'am, it is like the average of the thing.
Yes, it's exactly average. Okay. Okay, it's average only. We call it mean. It has another name, that is average. Okay. So suppose if I have, say, I got the marks of 5 children, as if one student got 5 marks, my another student got 6 marks, another student got 4 marks, another student got 3 marks, another student got 5 marks. So these are marks of 5 children. Okay, the marks. So I will add sum of observations upon number of observations. Number of observations means these are marks of 5 children. So I'll just add them up.
120.
So what it is?
Ma'am, answer will be 4.
So this
20
is
by 5.
20. Okay.
4.
So that is 4. So that means mean is 4. I hope you are understanding this, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now our next concept that comes is mode. Okay. Now what is mode? Now suppose if I give you some raw data here, suppose here I'm giving you some list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 7, and 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, 8, 2, okay, like this. So there is commas in between because these are all different numbers. So this is how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 numbers are there. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, these are 13 numbers. So what do I do to find mode? First, I will arrange this data in either ascending order or descending order. Okay. First, I will arrange it in order, whichever order you can do. That's your choice. Okay, whichever order you can arrange it. Okay, so I am arranging in ascending order from small to big. So let's see how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones are there. How many twos are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 twos are there. How many threes are there? 1, 2. So threes. Then I have 5. How many fives are there? I have just 1 5. Okay, how many sevens are there? Just 1 7.
Ma'am, 6 also.
How many 6 are there? Only 1 6. Okay, also 6 must be here, 7 must be here. Okay, so I have arranged these numbers in ascending order. It's your wish, you can even arrange it in descending order.
Ma'am, 8 is also there.
Huh?
Ma'am, 8 is also there.
8 is also there. Yes, 8 is also there. Okay. So that means you can arrange it in any order. Now, how do we find the mode? Now, everyone please see carefully, listen carefully. Now, the maximum occurrence is which number? Which number is having maximum occurrence?
Ma'am, 1.
1. 1 is repeating 4 times here. Okay.
Yes,
So 1 has maximum occurrence. That means my mode is 1. So that number which has maximum occurrence is called mode. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is maximum occurrence. Maximum occurrence. Okay. So whichever number has maximum occurrence, whichever is repeating maximum number of times, that gives us the mode.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, what is the need of making it in ascending or descending order? Because we can like just count it
That will
ourselves,
also,
right?
it makes our work easier. It, so sometimes, children miss the number sometimes.
Okay.
So it makes the work easier.
Ma'am, so we could say that the number has the most frequency here.
Whichever has a maximum frequency of occurrence is called mode. Okay. Okay, now I'm giving you a question now to find the mean. Find the mean. This is for your homework. Just note down the questions, afterwards you can do. Okay. Find the mean. The data is given. Please note down carefully. 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Find the mean of this data. The next question is, I'm giving you find the mode. Find the mode. Okay. So to find the mode, let's see the height of the height of 10 the height of 10 children is given. Okay, I'm giving you the height of 10 children. So that is 100 centimeters. Okay, you can write it centimeters, height in centimeters. So that is 100 centimeters. Then you have 105 centimeters. Then you have 100, 110 centimeters, 102 centimeters, 106 centimeters, 107.
First mean, like, can I? Can I tell the answer?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, don't tell the answer. Okay, only 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is, please note down. Okay, and take it for homework. Okay, the 2 questions. Right, children? And in the next class, we will discuss about median. We have one topic left in this, that is the median. We will discuss in the next class. Tomorrow.
Ma'am, whole the chapter is
Huh?
based on these 4 types.
No, there is much more in the chapter. Okay, not only these 4 types, there is much more. Okay, so please note down. Just check in your books if you have anything more. Do you have any graphical things also? Because this time the books also have been changed. So if some graphs are there, we'll do graphs also. Then be ready with the graphs. Okay? So be ready with the graphs also. Okay, so noted down this. I'm winding the class now. Thank you, children. Good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.